These ventures are the most profitable for the year 2025. If you are interested in becoming a businessman or entrepreneur, we explain what each of these businesses consists of and how you can get started in them. The amount of investment needed to start one of these businesses will depend on several factors, such as the type of product or service, as some are online businesses, while others require a physical location. Location also plays a crucial role. If you want to become an entrepreneur and are looking for profitable business ideas for 2025, here is a list of recommendations that you might find interesting. Here are the businesses with the highest growth potential in the coming years. 1. Bottled water business. One of the most profitable businesses you can start is the bottled water business. As the trend towards healthier eating increases, the consumption of carbonated and sweetened beverages decreases, while the demand for bottled water continues to increase. This business consists of selling bottled water in different presentations, such as 20-liter, 7-liter, and 1-liter bottles. Your customers can be households, stores, small businesses, and companies. To start this business, you will need to acquire a water purification plant, a place to install the plant, the necessary permits, and follow the steps to start your bottled water plant. 2. Nutrition and fitness business. This niche goes hand in hand with the fitness trend and is considered one of the main business opportunities for 2025. More and more people are concerned about their lifestyle and want to follow a healthy diet. Nowadays, many people don't have time to prepare healthy meals. So one business idea is to offer home and office delivery of healthy food. You could also offer personalized nutrition plans to help people reach their health goals. In addition, you could sell and distribute fitness-related products such as dietary supplements, athletic apparel and footwear, and accessories such as weights, dumbbells, mats, and benches, among others. Providing personalized attention to your customers is essential for them to feel motivated and continue buying your products. The key to the success and sustainability of this business lies in offering excellent customer service and maintaining good communication with them. 3. E-commerce business or online store. The growing use of e-commerce or online product sales has become an increasingly common trend, and the pandemic has driven its profitability. Today, virtually any product can be offered for sale over the internet. A simple way to set up your own online store is to use tools such as WordPress or Shopify, which are easy to use and set up, allowing you to have your online store up and running in a matter of minutes. If you have enough capital, you can consider dropshipping. This is a form of e-commerce in which you act as an intermediary between the customer and the wholesale supplier, which minimizes investment costs and generates profits safely. Therefore, this business represents one of the best opportunities with future prospects. Online, you can sell virtually any type of product, from mobile devices and accessories to computers, clothing, and pet food. The key to this business lies in identifying a product that is in high demand and that people are willing to buy online. You can start by creating a Facebook or Instagram page and promote your products on these social networks. 4. Selling pet products. Today, most people have a pet in their homes, which makes selling pet products and services a profitable business. Pets have become part of the family, and many owners seek to pamper them and provide them with the best. In this niche, you can offer a wide variety of products and services such as toys and accessories, hygiene and grooming items, natural pet foods, specialized medications, grooming and bathing services, and pet training. A successful example in this field is Barker, a company that offers natural dog food and has experienced significant growth. 5. Online education. We all have specific knowledge in some subject, so sharing that knowledge can be an excellent way to generate income. This is an ideal opportunity for teachers, graduates, engineers, and specialists in various fields. You can create your own online courses and sell them through specialized platforms. Course prices can range from $10 to $500, depending on people's interest in the subject. Some courses that are currently in high demand include web programming, languages, digital marketing, stock market investments, digital design, among others. Popular platforms where you can sell your courses are Udemy or Krahana. 6. Real estate investment business. This business opportunity involves investing capital in the purchase and sale of properties, with the potential for significant profits. The purchase, sale, and rental of real estate is a profitable activity due to its solid economic growth. It is important to consider property location, investment amount, and profitability projections when making decisions. By using platforms specialized in real estate transactions such as Adonde Viver, Urbania, Tutica Proprio, you can advertise your properties for sale or rent, attracting the interest of potential buyers in a matter of hours. 7. Investing in shares. More and more people are entering the world of investment in financial assets, such as buying and selling shares through digital platforms. This activity can generate significant income if you have the right knowledge to invest wisely. Fortunately, there are specialized platforms that are used by both professionals and beginners in investment. It is possible to start investing from $200 and up. These are just some of the profitable business ideas for entrepreneurship in 2025. At the end of the day, success in any business lies in the dedication you put into offering quality products and excellent customer service. This will help build customer loyalty and encourage them to recommend your product or service.